We're doing the pedal bypass test. On the underneath side of the Raptor, you notice a small black protective box with 2 screws. Simply remove these 2 screws. Once those 2 screws have been removed, the box simply comes right off. You'll notice the underneath side of the pedal with a 3-pin switch and 3 wires running to it. Red, yellow, and a black wire. Black wire is the ground. We'll be leaving that one alone. On these wires, there's a little locking clip on it. One side is all nice, flat, and smooth. The other side has little wires bent around it. You'll notice a small little pin. If you press in from the side, you can pull it right off. Do the same with the yellow wire. Once the 2 wires have been pulled off, pull the protective boot back a little ways so you have bare metal. Once you have bare metal, you get the tires up off the ground. Touch the 2 wires together. We have movement. Once you're done with the operation, you can simply replace the wires. On the side of the switch, there is a sticker showing you what color wire goes where. Slide the wires back onto the clips. Make sure that they're firmly placed on there. And then just put your cover case back on using those same 2 little screws.